again, my friend. Celina here with another video to help you on your SAT/ACT journey. This video is the third in a mini-series in which I'm going to show you spiffy ways to make SAT/ACT prep fun. Well, okay, at least make it less torturous. But in all seriousness, I've been sharing my favorite ways to practice key skills for the test that don't really feel like work. Pretty sweet, right? Today we'll explore some for the reading and ACT science sections. Now, reading and ACT science are the weird ones because they aren't governed by rules like math and grammar are. But that's okay. It just means that they're more skill-based. Here's what I recommend for making these guys more fun. Learn something new by actively reading complex texts. Now, notice that I did not say boring texts. That just makes the whole exercise suck. And who wants that? By describing these as complex, you're more likely to go in with an open mind that's ready to learn, thereby increasing the chances that information will stick with you. So, what constitutes a complex text? Most types of professional publications, such as business reviews, peer-reviewed journals, and novels and short stories are all fair game. Your school or local library will likely have a good collection of these, including an electronic format for many. I've listed a few of my favorites in this video's description. Now, you want to make notes as you go. Be on the lookout for key points, overall passage tone, and a central argument or question being answered. This will give you a distillation of the passage, nothing but critical key takeaways that you've learned. If you haven't thrown them away, explore via active reading your past papers, essays, and lab reports. This is a great means of getting comfortable with active reading in general because it's familiar text. After all, you're the one who wrote it. Try this first if you're nervous about jumping into the complex text that I mentioned earlier. And now I want to hear from you. What tactics do you use to make SAT/ACT reading and ACT science prep more fun? Post your thoughts in the discussion below. And afterward, don't forget to press that subscribe button to be the first to know about new videos to help you on your SAT/ACT journey. Until next time, stay healthy and stay sane.